Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. 3 years since their last release, Canon have updated their high-end premium compact cameras with the G7X Mark III and the G5X Mark II. With updates to the sensor, lens and a strong focus towards video users on the G7X Mark III, we're in the Hampshire countryside to check them out and get hands-on.
Both cameras house an updated 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and the improved Digi-Kate processor, helping to produce superior image and video quality. Design-wise, the G5X has completely changed to make a smaller and more pocketable camera when compared to its predecessor. Canon have removed the top-mounted EVF and replaced it with a built-in pop-up 2.3 million dot OLED viewfinder, much like the original viewfinders found on the Sony RX100 series. You flick the switch and manually pull the optics out. After that, the G5X Mark II closely follows the G7X Mark III's size and style. Still a small but deeper front grip and the prominent thumb rest leave the Mark III comfortable in your hands while shooting. Dual mode dials make the shooting settings quick and simple to change, along with the back and front clickable wheel that surrounds the 5x optical zoom lens on the G5X Mark II and the 4.2x lens on the G7X Mark III. USB-C charging, HDMI outputs, and a built-in pop-up flash, along with connectivity coming in the form of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, are all on board. 4K movie recording up to 30p is available on both, and being uncropped allows for the full use of the sensor, giving you that desired wide video shots. You can shoot up to 10 minutes of video in 4K or up to 30 minutes in Full HD. With the popularity of vlogging at an all-time high, the G7X Mark II became a fan favourite with content creators, and Canon has embraced this and made more welcomed updates to the Mark III. You will now be able to live stream when connected to the internet straight from your camera to YouTube, giving users a far greater image quality for their audience to watch. Canon have also toughened the rear screen's bracket mechanism to minimise damage, as many users of the previous version vlogged whilst holding the screen when it was flipped out. This clear and bright monitor is very responsive to touch, making it super quick and easy to navigate around.
The best thing of all about the G7X Mark III is the addition of the 3.5mm audio jack, allowing you to connect standard microphones for clear and crisp audio. Now, this is pretty rare to find on a 1-inch premium compact camera, and although the G7X Mark III has no form of hot shoe, cold shoe on it, meaning you'll need to buy some form of bracket to hold those microphones on, it's a very small price to pay for such a brilliant feature.
Solid face detection and good image stabilisation all help to keep you smooth and in focus while out vlogging. Canon have also carried over the built-in ND filters from the Mark II that many video users continuously use to keep their shutter speeds down on bright and sunny days. Fast burst shooting allows for up to 118 JPEG images at 20 frames per second to be saved, or up to 70 compressed RAW images at 30 frames per second. Shooting modes like focus bracketing will allow you to get creative with your images, though these do have to be processed outside of the camera.
With the newly welcomed additions to the G7X Mark III, current Canon vloggers or future users are really going to benefit from these improvements. With the tougher screen bracket, live streaming to YouTube, improved image quality with that uncropped 4K video, and of course that mic input really sets this camera apart from others on the market. Any still shooters wanting high-end results from a compact form factor camera should really check out the G5X Mark II. With its stacked CMOS sensor and pop-up electronic viewfinder, these new additions help keep it slim and portable whilst out and about for the day. For any more information, check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.